All right, so we have sad news, sad news. I'm hoping that it's just rumor. I'm definitely hoping that it's just rumor. So, guys, welcome to the Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. Please, guys, remember to smash that like button. Guys, please, my like target. If you're watching this video and not hitting the like button, you're doing something wrong. Please smash that like button. I've been giving you guys consistent update on what's happening. So, the latest coming out of the Reggae Boyz camp. This news was actually reported by a radio host on the Sports Explosion program that Bobby Reid, their source, to inform them that Bobby Reid has been tested positive and now in isolation. Is likely to miss he's going to miss the Guadeloupe game and is likely to miss the rest of the tournament depending on if we reach into the finals because of the 2-week barrier. So definitely, this is sad news. I ain't sure to put hashtag rumors because it's just rumors, unless it's just rumors, and nothing is fully confirmed as yet. We are definitely hoping that it's nothing like that, but it begs to ask question: How did this happen? It definitely begs to ask question: How did this happen, guys? Please, as I'm asking you, smash that like button and subscribe to the Military Guna channel for a consistent update and information on what's happening with the Reggae Boyz. But this is the situation that we have at hand, and he shares room with, I think he shares room with Michael Hector, with a few players. But when and where this could have happened, honestly, when and where this could have happened, this is a surprising news to me, very very surprising news to me. I am honestly hoping that it is just rumors. I'm definitely hoping that it is just rumors, but at this point, it does not seem like things are looking well. No official confirmation as yet coming out from the JFF. I know a lot of people are asking questions, but it's just reports coming from the radio station that their source has informed them that this is the situation. Now, it totally depends on what's going to happen. So I was actually looking out for the training pics because normally it's early morning. Would have already seen training pics and of what's happening. We haven't seen any training pics as yet because they did their training program yesterday. They also did training program this morning. So I'm surprised that there's no training pics coming out as yet. So I was actually wondering how that one really goes. But for now, this is a situation. This is definitely a situation. I'm hoping that it's just rumors. Definitely hoping that it's just rumors because it would definitely take a massive dent in what we're trying to achieve, in what we're trying to do. No information in accordance. So if there's other players being affected by it, but we'll see how that one goes. We'll definitely see how that one goes. I'm hoping that this source is not as credible as it would want to be. But if it's as credible as it is, that radio host would have gotten himself some solid information, and that information would be 100% accurate. Now, the question now begs to differ: how massive? What hit? What danger is this to the team, to what we're trying to do and how we want to move forward? And also the question is, how would he have contracted this virus? So there's a lot of questions to ask leading up to that, but we don't want to get divulged too deep into the speculations, and we just want to inform you guys that is the news coming out, that is the rumors that is coming out actually. So we're hoping that it's just false rumors and something that there's no fact to it. I'm hoping that there's no fact to it, but if there's fact, if it is 100%, get well, Bobby Reid. Get well and our well wishes are out to you. The fans are here supporting you. The fans are definitely supporting you, and we're looking forward to see you coming back. If you should come back for the final, if we should make it to the final, you'd be a massive addition. It depends on what's happening with the team at that particular time, but this is what's happening, people. I'm just hoping and praying that it's just false rumor and nothing is with it. I'm honestly hoping that there's nothing behind it. But at this particular point in time, all fingers are pointing towards Bobby Reid contracting it, the virus. Nothing as yet. So we're just hoping to see that definitely the rest of the things to come out of it. And guys, please remember that Martin Davis has his game today, and he will be playing. And I'm hoping that some good news come from that in the Europa Conference League. Europa Conference League, yeah. So big up people, thank you very much for tuning in. This is a short video, very, very short video. Get well, Bob Reid. The team is behind you. Massive respect to everyone who tune in. Big up Military Guna TV.